Hi everyone, today I'm going to be doing my tutorial video on confidence intervals for proportion. So to evaluate confidence intervals for population proportion, you should know that the point estimate for P, the population proportion of successes, is given by the proportion of successes in a sample. X is the number of successes in a sample and N would be the number in a sample. So you have P hat equals X over N. The point estimate for the population proportion of failures is Q hat equals 1 minus P. So for my example today, I have in a survey of 3,510 adults, 1,490 say that they have started paying bills online last year. Construct a 99% confidence interval for the population proportion and interpret your results. So we know that we have X equals 1490 and N equals 3510. P hat equals 1490 over 3510. And when you put that in your calculator, you should get 0.425. So to find the failures, we have to do Q hat equals 1 minus P hat, which would be 1 minus 0.425 equals 0.575. So we know the confidence that we're looking for is 99%, and C sub Z of 99% confidence equals 2.575. So you have to substitute the variable and solve for E, which is the margin of error. So the formula for that is E equals C sub Z times the square root of P hat times Q hat over N. And when we plug that information into the formula, we are going to get E equals 2.575 times the square root of 0.425 times the square root of 0.575, which is our Q hat, over N, which we know is 3510. So when you plug this formula into the calculator, you should get 0.021. Now, to find the left point of the 99% confidence interval, you have to subtract E from P. So we're going to subtract E, which we know is, from P hat. So we know that our P hat is 0.425 minus 0.021, which we just got from plugging into the formula, and you get an answer of 0.404. Now to find the endpoint of the 99% confidence interval on the left, you have to add. So it's going to be 0.425 plus 0.021, which gives you 0.446. Therefore, we know that the 99% confidence interval of people who started paying their bills online is going to be between 0.404 and 0.446. And that concludes my tutorial on confidence intervals for proportions.